Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform ear tip fit test for your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. You will find headphones line at the top in the settings. You need to tap at this line, or also this menu you can find if you go to the Bluetooth and then click the information icon near to your headphones. Then you need to scroll down and you need to find fit and comfort, and right here we have test acoustic seal. Tap at this line, then put your earbuds to your ears, click continue, and it will play some song for you. Don't speak, just wait until this test finished. So it played some song for me, and now I have feedback. You can repeat this test, or you can click at the done, at the check mark, and that's it. Then you can return to this test if you want to in the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.